Hey muñecas, today's video is a tutorial on this beautiful purple bluish makeup. I really hope that you guys like it. I loved it. And to get started, I first moisturized my lips. I started with this Rose Sugar Lip Balm by Fresh. And then I'm going to continue moisturizing the face. I'm using this spray by Pixi, and it is the Rose Glow Mist. I really like it whenever I'm feeling that my skin is like really dehydrated. This is awesome for that. And then to prime, I'm going to be using the Glow Activator by Joah Beauty. Also one of my favorites whenever I feel my skin is super dry. So just applying that all over the face. And then a new trick that I started doing is I'm using the Huda Beauty concealer. That's the Overachiever. And I like to apply it as a corrector. I feel that this is the shade Graham Cracker. It has a little hint of like salmon tone that really helps me correct my under eyes, and I've been loving it for that. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using the Born This Way foundation by Too Faced, and just doing it Instagram style. You guys know the drill. And then I'm going to be blending that using this beauty sponge that I am obsessed with. This is by Sonia Kashuk, and it's called a Makeup Blender Sponge. You need to get your hands on this. This is super cheap and super amazing. You need to try it. They have it available at Target. And no, this is not sponsored. You just need to try it, believe me. And then I'm going to continue with my brows. I know that brows can be kind of boring, but I do have a new routine. I've been using the Precisely My pencil in the shade number 4, just to like trace the brow and give them definition, but then to fill them in and just to give them that like highlighted effect like my hair has right now. I have been using the Goof Proof in the tone 2.5, which is a hint lighter. So have been loving the combo, and I think that is like the perfect tone for my hair right now. So just wanted to share. And then just to clean them up and highlight, I have been using the Prep and Prime from MAC, which to be honest, I've been using this for a long time because it has the perfect tone and it's just so easy to apply because of the little applicator. I'm gonna be setting them using the 3D brow tones also from Benefit in the shade number 4. Now I'm going in with a pillowy base on my lids and going to be blending that with a beauty sponge, making sure that everything is nice and smooth. For the eyes, I'm going to be using the Paradise palette by Profusion. It's gorgeous. And I'm going to begin with the 2 matte purple shades that we have here, mixing the darkest and the lighter. As you can see, I'm kind of like packing it in first, and then I'm going around the edges in little circular motions to blend it out. And then I'm going to be taking a different brush, a little bit smaller, and just going in with the lightest purple, the light shade, and blending even more. And FYI, I am bringing the purple from inner corner to outer corner. I want the look to look very smoky, so I am bringing it very close to my nose. Next, I took that beautiful matte blue shadow, which guys, it blended like a dream with the purple. And as you can see, I'm putting it like in the inner crease and the outer V, and just blending it into the purple, and that alone, those 2 shades, they look amazing. If I wanted to, I could have stopped here. I could have put that all over the lid and I was good to go. Promise you guys, it's beautiful. But of course, I had to do a bit of a cut crease. So I went back in again with a pillowy base and created like a little clean center. So it's not necessarily a cut crease, more like a halo effect. And I went around the edges with the blue one more time, and as you can see where the base was, the blue looks a little bit brighter, and I actually really like it. Gave it like a little nice detail that I was not looking for, but I like it. I can work with that. So right after that, I went in with the bronzy shade. It's like champagne bronzy, like it's not super bronzy, not super champagne, whatever. You guys see it there on camera. It's beautiful. I didn't even have to wet my brush, and look how beautiful and intense that shadow looks. So I just apply that all over the center of the lid. And then I'm going to continue lining my eyes. I'm using the Joah Cosmetics liquid liner, which is amazing to create a beautiful wing. And then for concealer, I'm going back in with the Infallible Full Wear Concealer by Loreal, which has become a favorite of mine. I really like it and really recommend it for the price. And then I'm going to be setting it with a Patrick Star and MAC powder. I don't know why I forgot his name for a second, but this powder is one of my favorites, especially for the under eye area. And then I'm going back to the lower lash line with the purple from inner corner to outer corner. Like I said, I wanted this to look very, very smoky, so don't be afraid. I'm bringing it all the way into the inner corners of the eyes, as you can see right there. And then with this beautiful, stunning pink, I apply that in the inner corner of the eye and also just a tad right on the beginning of the lower lash line. I feel that I gave it a beautiful touch. For the waterline, I'm using one of the new Benefits Bad Gal Bang 24-hour liners in the tone dark purple. And I swear to God, this completed the look. I really, really like how it opened up my eyes. I always say that purple liner, purple shadows really bring out the browns on brown eyes. And then for the lower lash line, I wanted to try the new Bad Gal Bang mascara in blue, and this is the best blue mascara that I have ever tried as well. I promise you guys, it was the first time that I tried it and I am obsessed. And then I'm going to continue by bronzing, and of course I'm using my Huda bronzer in the tone caramel, just applying it, you know, just like I came out of the sun right now. And of course, to highlight today, I'm going to be using one of my favorite highlighters, which is Oh Darling from MAC. So just applying it in all the areas that you wish to highlight. And for blush, I'm going to be using this blush trio from Alamar that I received in my Maze Botsy Charm. And to set everything in place, I'm going to be using my all-nighter setting spray. And of course, I've got to fan that to make sure that everything stays in place for the whole day. And I did go back to my brow bone with a little bit of highlight to make sure that everything ties in together. For the lips, I'm going to begin lining them with Chair Lip Liner by Joah Cosmetics, and also their lipstick in Between the Sheets, which is one of my favorites as well. And with that, my loves, that completes today's look. I really, really like how this turned out. I really hope that you enjoyed it as well. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I love you so much, and I see you guys next time. Besos.